Hi, I'm Swati. Today I'm going to explain about the factorization chapter. Okay, students, do you know what is factorization? Factorization is a process of writing the number or algebraic expression in as a product of its factor. In simple words, breaking down a number or algebraic expression into a simple form. For example, if you take the 12 number, 12 we can write it as a 4 into 3, and further we can divide it, we can break down as a 2 into 2 into 3. ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఒక నెంబర్ కానీ ఆల్జిబ్రా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ని సింపుల్ ఫామ్లో రాయడమే ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా 12 అనే నెంబర్ని తీసుకుంటే 12ని మనం ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తే వచ్చేది దాని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. 12 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనము? 4 3 జా 12. అగైన్ 4ని మనం ఎలా బ్రేక్ డౌన్ చేయొచ్చు? 2 into 2 into 3. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, వై డు వి యూజ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్? We use the factorization because make the maths easy, cleaner, faster. Okay, to simplify the expression, factorization help us to writing the long expressions in the simple form. For example, if I take 6x plus 9, we can write it as, first to find the factors of the 6x. 6x we can write it as 2 into 3x. 2 into 3 into x. Okay, 9 we can write it as 3 into 3. Okay, then combine these two factors. Okay, what is a common factor in the 6x and 9? 3 is the common factor. Okay, just grouping this two numbers. Okay, 3 is the common factor. I'm just taking the 3 out here. What are the remaining numbers? 2 and x. Okay, 2x plus 3. Okay, because from the 6x and 9, 3 is the common number. Just we are taking the 3 out, so remaining values will be the 2x plus 3.